This episode is when a friend come over. We have a beer. We tried the drone a bit, and also going to show you how a solo sail dock into an edge robber. Enjoy. Try the new thing. Just an anchor through. A small piece of anchor. Stuck in the grass. So nice. Look at this. Kind of sailing competition ongoing, busy. Going full speed. Lots of boats. And I think there's a finish line right there because they're honking a horn. And they're hoisting the sails. I'm taking them down. There we go. Never a calm moment here at the ocean.
Men simma inte långt för då syns det inte.
Så. Jag ska baka lite runt. Jag filmade dig!
Du simmar ur bild,
Du
Kaj.
simmar ur bild, Kaj!
Du simmar ur bild, inåt.
Kaj! Simmar ur bild! Jag kan inte hjälpa till, jag ska filma. Jag kan inte hjälpa till, jag ska filma. One line that is not connected to anything else, just one simple line. See on the right. There. That one you can release. And that is going free all the way around. Position that is pretty much not friction. That's friction. You can release that. Probably just glide out, and then you can draw in this black one. So release the right one, and then you can draw in the left one. Preparations. Bye neighbors. Join the Discord servers, links in the description. I've created them for the communities. Follow up on Instagram to get live updates, and there's a Patreon if you want to access behind the scenes and hang out in private channels. And I hate to ask for money, so I made a spreadshop store. Choose all kinds of merch with my logo, or just minimalistic gear with only my name. You can edit them all and add your own personal touch. My cut is approximately €10, and this way you get something real and not just send money. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers!